Welcome back to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates in the world of smartphones. Today, we are diving into Apple's next big innovation, the iPhone 17. With each new generation, Apple refines its design, upgrades its performance, and introduces groundbreaking features that push the limits of what a smartphone can do. The iPhone 17 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting iPhones yet, featuring a redesigned camera system, a more compact and refined form factor, and Apple's next-gen A19 chip. There are also rumors of an ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air variant, which could introduce a whole new category of iPhones. Stick around as we break down all the leaks, rumors, and expected features of the iPhone 17. Apple is expected to continue using LTPO AMOLED panels with ProMotion technology, ensuring a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate for an ultra-smooth experience. The iPhone 17 is rumored to feature a 6.27-inch display, slightly smaller than previous models, which could make it more compact and comfortable to use one-handed. One of the biggest design changes is the redesigned camera bar, which now houses the camera lenses horizontally instead of the traditional vertical or square layout. This change not only gives the iPhone 17 a fresh new look, but could also improve stabilization and image processing. The Pro models may retain a similar design to the iPhone 16 Pro, with titanium frames, slimmer bezels, and an improved button layout. However, Apple could introduce new color options, further refining its premium aesthetic. One of the most exciting rumors is the potential introduction of the iPhone 17 Air, a super slim, lightweight version of the standard iPhone 17. Apple has always focused on thin and elegant designs, and the Air model could be a return to their philosophy of minimalism and portability. At the heart of the iPhone 17 is the expected A19 chip, Apple's next-generation processor, which will be built on a 3nm, or even a more advanced 2nm process. This means faster CPU and GPU performance, improved power efficiency for better battery life, enhanced AI and machine learning capabilities, better thermal management for sustained performance. Paired with iOS 17, users can expect even more fluid animations, AI-driven optimizations, and enhanced multitasking features. Apple is also rumored to be working on deeper Siri integration with AI-powered enhancements, allowing for more natural interactions and real-time assistance. The redesigned camera bar isn't just about aesthetics. It's expected to bring hardware and software-level improvements to photography and videography. While exact specs are still unknown, we anticipate larger main sensor for improved low-light performance, new ultra-wide sensor for better field of view coverage, enhanced zoom capabilities, possibly with a periscope lens on the Pro models, upgraded smart HDR, and AI-driven computational photography. Apple may also introduce enhanced video stabilization and real-time background blur adjustments, making the iPhone 17 one of the best phones for mobile videography. Battery life has always been a key focus for Apple, and with the A19 chip's improved efficiency, the iPhone 17 is expected to offer even longer battery life. There are also rumors of faster wired and wireless charging speeds, possibly bringing MagSafe 2.0 with higher power delivery. Some leaks suggest that Apple may introduce a new battery material or redesign the internal battery structure to provide higher energy density without increasing size. If true, this could result in significant battery life improvements across all iPhone 17 models. The iPhone 17 is shaping up to be a refined, high-performance flagship device with a fresh design, major performance upgrades, and a continued focus on camera innovation. The introduction of an iPhone 17 Air model could add a whole new category to Apple's lineup, targeting users who prefer lightweight, ultra-slim devices. With a powerful A19 chip, redesigned camera system, improved battery life, and iOS 17 enhancements, the iPhone 17 series could continue Apple's legacy of delivering some of the most premium and innovative smartphones on the market. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 17 leaks and rumors? Are you excited about the new design and features? Let us know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth smartphone reviews, comparisons, and tech updates. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.